funny?
Nothing.
Why are you smiling?
No reason.
Is it funny to you?
Not at all. After his first run through, I really didn't think it was great at all. And here he is laughing.
This is a battle. You gotta take this serious, man.
I know I'm better than what I put forward today, and I think Usher knows that, which is why he was, so hard on me.
Josiah, great technique. I actually hear that you put a lot of personality even in your second verse. Wait, no taking.
Thanks, man. It's great that Usher was happy with me, but it still doesn't let off any of the pressure.
I want to try exercise. You got one mic. This time, you're gonna have to fight a little bit more for this mic. I need you to let go.
You don't have to wear that dress tonight. Oh, walk the streets for money.
She's still watching you right now. She's watching you right now. Stay in it. You can't teach a person to be a star. All I'm doing here is hopefully unlocking things that are naturally there so that they will recognize it and hold on to it.